All right, Henry McClure live. Man, you guys remember Fuzzy's Taco? Do you remember Team Sporting Goods? Do you remember what you had for lunch? Hey, look at all this, man. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all that. Look at that. A lot of power. Ooh, what do we got down here? Never been down here. Should have brought my flashlight. Man, I got this flashlight. It's a little moist down here. Where's Marshall Barber and his dehumidifiers? I don't know what they got going on over there. I'm going to switch this around. I don't know. Look at all that networking equipment. It's something. You know what that was?
Look at that old piece right there, man.
Do we need a light bulb?
Yeah, he did some substance down here.
Man, this thing keeps going.
It does. It's got a lot of footage that isn't being utilized.
For the basement dwellers. I hear another voice that recognizes me that asks every day, where's Slosky's?
Telepathic.
Hey, come on, Craig. Let's get... Here's the owners right here. Everything's signed. Say hello.
Hey, bud.
Yeah. You know we have Boulder, Colorado connection. It's a little musty down there. Well, this is definitely the men's, or you have to identify as a man. You know, I've seen women go in that. You know, if you have to go bad enough, if you gotta go bad enough, baby. Oh man, I got... All right. This is good. This is a lot of infrastructure. I don't know what happened to Fuzzy's. If I'm them, I'd tear all this down. They're making a mistake. As a broker, you want all the light to come in. You know, what do I know after 45 years? I came here a couple of times. I thought the food was good. Metal by the foot. I use them when I built the garage door over at the old Gordman's. Oh, remind me later to go over to the Schlosky's. I'll show you a cold patch that I did myself that I did like 3 years ago. We'll see if it's any good. You know, if you're going to put cold patch in, you just got to, it's all about pounding it down, man. You got to, have you ever heard of what a pogo stick is? You know, it's a ground pounder. But me, I just drove over it over and over. All right, that's the Henry McClure Live for this show. You know who's supposed to be watching this. I know who you are. I'm live.